Hi guys, in today's episode of Taste of the Town, we're here at Bee's Burgers and Gyros. Bee's is located in one of the hottest food strips in the Southland, and that's at The Cross. Now The Cross, or sometimes referred to as The Cross, is located right opposite Skinner Park in San Fernando, Trinidad. So if you guys are ever hungry or craving some delicious burgers, cheese stuffed, mushroom and cheese topped, the best gyros, the biggest burgers, he has a towering burger, you definitely need to check out Bee's down on this food strip. It's one of the best burger trucks down there. Their food was really delicious and I can't wait for you all to try his food. So guys, sit back, relax and enjoy as I share with you guys what Bee's has to offer you all. Make sure if you try his food, let me know down below what you think, and I love you for watching. Enjoy!
What is the pineapple then?
Okay, I need to take a picture.
You want to say something? Tell them to come try your delicious food.
I don't have to say everybody when they see it, they will come.
So you hear that? Once you see what he has, you'll come for his food.
And when they taste it, they will come back to shop.
Yeah? So you can call 707-5041 to place your orders, burgers and gyros. Bye!
Alright, thank you.
So guys, make sure you come down to Bee's and check him out for his delicious burgers and gyros. It was really delicious. So if you guys come down, leave me a comment down below and let me know what you think.